the Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. Today, we're going to be making some sweet treats. Specifically, Grandma Crimi's Christmas candies. It's a little out of season, but I think they are delicious. Okay, so in terms of ingredients, here is what you are going to need. You're going to need one large bag of marshmallows. You're going to need chocolate. I'll tell you how much later. You're going to need various toppings. I have coconut and Rice Krispies here, but you can also use crushed nuts of any variety or any other kind of small breakfast cereal. Okay, so in terms of hardware, you're going to need the following. You're going to need a large bowl. You're going to need a small bowl, one that is microwave safe. You're going to need some paper plates. You're going to need some scissors, and most importantly, you're going to need some wax paper. You're also going to need some spoons, but most importantly, the wax paper. As always, step one is going to be wash your hands. So go ahead, turn your water on, stick your mitts underneath, maybe go for a drink, you never know. Refreshing. Take some soap, squirt it onto your mitts, rub it around like so. Get the front, back, in between the knuckles, up the finger, under the fingernails, whatever suits you. Stick it back under the water and wash it all off. When you're finished, you can flick your fingers out, turn the water off, grab a towel, and dry yourself off. Alright folks, step number 2 is going to be cut up your schmellows. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take your average ordinary schmello. You're going to take your scissors, you're going to dip them in some water. That's a pro tip from Grandma Crimi herself. You're going to cut your schmello into thirds. Beautiful, and drop them in that bowl. You're going to do this for all of these schmellos. Got it? Good. Alright folks, now we're on to step number 3. And this step is going to be melt your chocolate. So, we've got all of our marshmallows cut up and we're going to be melting our chocolate in the microwave. Now at home, I use a double boiler so we can keep constant heat on the chocolate. We can't do that here. So, we're going to be putting the chocolate in the microwave a little bit at a time and checking and stirring it to make sure it gets liquefied. Alright? So, we're going to start with this bar right here. Now, for a whole bag of marshmallows, you're going to want to use about 24 ounces of chocolate. So, now that we have our chocolate all here in the bowl, we're going to head over here to the microwave, open her up, put the bowl in. We're going to start with 30 seconds, and then we'll check it after. Okay, folks, 30 seconds wasn't long enough to even start to melt it. So we're going to put it in for 30 more, and 30 more, and 30 more, and at the end, I'll tell you exactly how much time we used on the chocolate, alright? Okay folks, while the chocolate's melting, we're on to step number 4. It's going to be put your toppings on your plates. So we start with the Rice Krispies. You just add those guys to the plate like that. It's that simple. The same goes for your coconut or whatever toppings you chose. Alright folks, after 1.5 minutes, our chocolate is nice and liquid. So while it's still liquid, we're going to have to move pretty quick here. Alright, so we're on step number 5, and that's going to be coat your marshmallows, roll them in the toppings, and set them out to dry. So, you're going to need to take your wax paper, like so, open it up, find, ow, that is sharp, find the end of it. Okay, can't find the end. This trick wax paper, is that what they sold me? Where is... I found it. So, get yourself a nice long strand of wax paper, rip it off, lay it on the counter like so, and that's going to be your drying station. Take your marshmallows, dip them in the chocolate, roll them around a little bit like so, then take it and plop it in the topping. Roll it around here, then pick it up and let it dry. It's that simple. So we're going to keep going. some more of these little guys in the chocolate here. Mix them all about while the chocolate is still warm. If it hardens, you can throw it in the microwave again, but after a certain point, you just gotta scrap it. We'll go coconut on the next one, and the chocolate, roll it around. Coconut here. You take it and plop it there. Perfect. That's one of each done. The next probably 20 minutes is gonna be me making more of these. All right, folks, once you've coated your marshmallows in chocolate and then rolled them in the topping of your choice, you put them on wax paper and you let them set for about an hour. After that, they should be nice and crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Delicious. All right, folks, I want to thank you for coming to Giuseppe's Cooking Corner and watching my video. If you liked it, feel free to drop a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. If there's anything you want to see on the show, feel free to get in contact with me and let me know by any means necessary. Text, email, carrier pigeon, whatever you got to do. For the next few minutes, we're going to be showing pictures and videos of different dishes that people made for my channel, and we're going to be featuring them. And bye-bye now. Once you've dipped it all and dipped all your... Alright, let's start again. 3, 2, 1, action! Alright, folks. Once you've dipped all your marshmallows and rolled them in chocolate and then rolled them in the... Alright, let's start again.
One more time from the top. 3, 2, 1, action.
Once more from the top. 3, 2, 1, action. Alright, folks. Once you've dredged your... No, that's the wrong word, too.
Dredged. Went right for it.
I know, I was aggressive about it. Right? 3, 2, 1.